At Assay Genie, we have developed a range of unique multipack ELISA kits based on years of experience and publications. Our range of ELISA Sampler Packs include over 70 ELISA packs across disease and pathway research. Across the years, we have worked on multiple microbiome and intestinal permeability research projects. And from this, we've developed our Intestinal Permeability ELISA Sampler Pack. We have identified 9 key proteins that play key roles in intestinal permeability, and so our pack includes zomelin, occludin, claudin, and more. We specially designed 48 well assays for each of the 9 proteins and placed them into one pack, which are cost-effective and convenient. We promise quality, with all of our kits being extensively validated, inclusive of standard curve, spike recovery, and linearity. This is one of over 70 packs available. See the full list below or reach out to our support team for any questions that you might have. Custom ELISA packs are also available. Just get in touch and we'll be happy to help.